guys, welcome back to your channel DEEPAKSG. So as you guys can see, I have an LCD writing board with me, and this is from the brand Profissy. I have ordered it from Amazon for 3,300 rupees, and for that money I guess this is a value for money product. The reason being, this is the only rechargeable LCD writing board available now, and you can recharge it using your mobile charger. So that's great from the brand of Profissy. And this is the package that I got from Amazon. So inside it you can see many features are mentioned, like easy writing, it's durable, it saves eyes, one key clear, and portable. Okay, and here the color is mentioned, like it's the blue color that I have choose. If you want, you can also purchase the pink white color also. So the links for purchasing will be in the description below, so do check the video description if you want to purchase this product. Okay, so in the back side you guys can see here it's mentioned: take notes precisely, facilitate conversations, draw freely, create with no limitations, capture your inspirations anywhere anytime, save paper, save trees. And the net weight of this product is around 620 gram, because it's a 21-inch writing pad. Okay, so it is weighing around 620 grams. Okay, and here you can see the actual price is 6,000 rupees, but as I mentioned before, you can purchase it from Amazon for 3,300 rupees. Inside the package we got the writing pad itself, and you guys can see the surface area is very much big, and I needed this much surface area to be genuine. Okay, and other than that we get a cable, that is the normal charging cable for charging this writing tablet. Okay, this is the actual writing board, as you guys can see, and here you get the stylus or the pen that you use for this writing board, and here you get a leather pen stand, so that's good. After use you can keep it like this. Okay, so this is actually very big, as you guys can see, and here there are two buttons. First one is the lock button and second one is the clean button. Guys, the function of these two buttons is, one is a lock button and second one is a brush button. So if we write something, as you guys can see, here's the line. Okay, and if you want to erase it, you can just press this button and it's gone. But if you press this lock button once, a red light will glow, and now if you write something, okay, if we press the erase button also, it won't go. So we'll have to again press this lock button. Now you can see a green light. Now if we press this clean button, then it's gone. So that's a main feature of this writing board, and here you get the micro USB port for charging this device. Okay, so it's a rechargeable writing board, and it's a 21-inch, as you guys can see. So much of space is there. Since this is a larger writing board, I kept it like this. Okay, so the writing experience is pretty good, I must say, and you can write or draw in this board very smoothly, and yeah, it's actually pressure sensitive also. Okay, I'll show you. If I just touch like this, if I keep it like this, you can see the difference. Okay, so it's a bit pressure sensitive. So now we will write something. Okay, we will do max a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. As you guys can see, now also lot of space is available. A plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A minus b the whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Since this is a very big board, I am keeping it like this. Okay, otherwise I would have definitely showed you a closer view of how this writes. Okay, so the viewing angle is perfect, I must say. The viewing angle is really good, and thumbs up from my end. Yes, this is the closer view of the different colors in this writing board, and it is very much colorful, as you guys can see. Okay, so let's clean this. Now I will draw a coconut tree. And this is superb for drawing also, and this is how my coconut tree looks. And there is lots of area left in this writing board since it is spacious. I'd prefer you to buy the 21-inch or 15 or 16-inch, because you should at least have a 15-inch Profissy writing board to draw something or like do max problems and all. Okay, and guys, now let's clear this and let's write something. Okay, yeah, as you guys can see, the color is pretty much good in this, and visible 8 to 9 colors are there, so that's great. And this is also a non-radiative writing board, so no fear of radiations, and this is a rechargeable one, no need to insert the battery also. This is pretty value device for the price of 3,200 rupees. I have purchased for this price, but normally it's there for 3,300 rupees. Okay, so if you want, you can purchase it from the Amazon links in the description box. Okay, and if you are having Amazon Prime account, you can get this device in 1-day delivery, or else it will take 2 days for shipping. Okay, so I actually like this device, and I would definitely recommend it to all those students who want a writing pad for rough works, or who want to make to-do list. This is a great device, I would say. Okay, and if you want to purchase this device or its 15 or 16-inch variant, the Amazon links will be in the description below, so do check the Amazon link and buy it if you want one. Okay, and that's it, guys. I hope you guys will like this video. Okay, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.